To use Apple Pencil Pro, first verify your iPad does support Apple Pencil Pro. I'll have this link in the description. Then we'll see at the top of the iPad to the right of the volume buttons, this connector, and you place your Apple Pencil Pro on this connector to 1, pair for the very first time, 2, to charge the Apple Pencil, and 3, this is where you would store the Pencil Pro if you aren't using it. So once the pencil is set up, we can use it to navigate the operating system. And if we swipe diagonally from the bottom left hand side, this will take a screenshot. And then if we swipe diagonally from the bottom right hand side, this will bring us to the quick notes where we can quickly take a note. When you hover over any icons, it will select like this, and then you can just tap like normal to open an app. So I'm going to go to a markup tool, and please note that not every third-party app will have these features, but the Notes app does. So what we can do is either tap a marker with a pencil to select it, or what we can do is where the pencil is, just squeeze your fingers together, and then we have the carousel of tools available. You don't have to keep on squeezing, so just squeeze when you see the menu release. And so in this one, I can click to change my tools, customize them, and I can use my pencil to draw. So the first thing we will notice is that there is pressure sensitivity. So if I move lightly on the screen, it's low pressure. If I press down hard, you can see high pressure. So the harder you tap or push even, the more pen that will show up. That won't show in all apps, so please keep that in mind. That's the first thing. The second thing is tilt sensitive control. So if I just draw like this, okay, with this tilt, that's the line. Now if I draw like this, you can see the line's thicker. Not all brush tools will support this, so please do keep that one in mind. The pencil also has twist detection, so you can see while twisting my pencil, it is changing the angle of the drawing. Now, you may notice there is no eraser on Apple Pencil Pro. I can't just go like this. But what you can do is just double tap the pen. So just tap, and it will switch to the eraser. And you can go and you can erase like this, and then double tap again to go to your previous tool. With Apple Pencil Pro, it won't let you, use the navigation bar. So you will have to use your fingers if you want to exit outside of apps. Now, Apple Pencil Pro also lets you use your handwriting for text. So any search bar or any menu where the keyboard shows up, you can just use your Apple Pencil Pro if you would like to. And you don't want to use the keyboard, that's an option. If you open your settings and then locate where it says multitasking and gestures, what we can do, if we scroll down, we should see the swipe finger from corner gesture. And if this is on, we can program what the pencil will do here. So if I set this to screenshot, now it's going to screenshot. You will notice this was off by default. This will turn this one on for your fingers to take a screenshot. If you're having problems connecting to Pencil Pro, just open the general area of settings, then tap on the reset option, and then tap reset, and then reset your network settings, and then that should fix any connection issues.